wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again! It's finally summer and you know what I'm most excited about? Going swimming in the ocean. I love the beach and the sand. There's so much we can explore. But going scuba diving in the ocean and exploring the underwater world is definitely the most funnest thing to do. That's why we have 2 special episodes planned for you, because there is lots to learn about the ocean. Let's get started and check in with Noah and Olivia.
Okay. Funny.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids!
We're in the ocean!
Yeah, isn't it awesome? It's so nice. Woo!
Why do you have your space helmet on? We're not going to space today. We're going into the ocean.
Yeah, but
it's down.
It's so I can breathe.
Yeah, but you don't need it. You just need goggles.
Yeah, but why do you need goggles?
So I can see better.
Yeah, but I want my helmet so I can breathe better. Also, what if I go outside?
Yeah, but we're in the submarine.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go outside of the submarine into the water.
I don't know if you can do that with your space helmet.
I'll figure it out.
Okay.
How do your goggles help you see better?
In case I want to go swimming.
See? So same difference.
Well, I guess
we're hilarious.
Yeah, I guess. Are you ready to explore and see some ocean life?
I'm very ready to explore and see some ocean life. Are you kids ready to explore and see some ocean life?
Yeah!
Yay!
Jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish. Whoa, they're so
don't touch
cool.
them.
Yeah, they sting.
Yeah. Wow, we're like, looks like there are more and more coming.
Whoa, yeah, there's a lot of them.
Maybe we should quickly get out of here.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, what's that kind of fish?
I think it's an eel.
An eel?
Whoa, yeah. That's so cool. Look at it swimming into those rocks.
Don't people eat eels?
Yeah, some people do eat eels. Yep, Japanese people. But also me. I like eel.
Okay.
With eel sauce, it's sweet.
Let's go.
Okay.
Ooh, what kind of fish is that?
Ooh, that's a school of fish. I don't know, the silvery ones?
What kind of fish?
I don't know. It's a school of fish.
Is that a school of fish? Like a fish of school?
Like a school,
Is that a teacher fish?
No, if there's a group of fish, it's called a school.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know why, actually, but yeah.
Interesting. Well, maybe once we're back we can find out.
Yeah, that'd be really nice. We should look that up.
A shark!
Whoa!
Quickly!
Go! Whoa!
Ooh, that was a close one.
That was close.
It? Yeah.
Oh, but look!
The dolphins.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I love dolphins.
Me too.
I think I can hear them. I think they're talking to us. Maybe they're saying something to us.
Oh, I bet they're saying hi and maybe telling us where to go. Let's see if we can listen.
You know what? I think they're saying, Olivia, why are you wearing a helmet?
Yeah, and then they say, Noah, why are you wearing goggles?
Oh, okay. I'll just...
All right.
There. Are you gonna stop making fun of me now?
Are you gonna stop making fun of me now?
No.
Well then, I guess we'll just have to see if I stop making fun of you.
No, I'll stop.
Okay, I'll stop.
Although I have to say you look really good with that helmet.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I really like my helmet.
Oh, nice swimsuit.
Thank you. I like your underwater suit too.
Yeah, thank you.
It's very nice. Oh,
look at all those fish.
Yeah, there's so many. It's so amazing. Wait. Is that... Look. Is that Nemo?
It's Nemo!
Whoa, Nemo!
Hi, Nemo!
Hi, Nemo! Hi!
Oh.
Whoa! if Nemo's there.
Yeah, where's his dad?
No, where's
No?
Dory?
Oh, of course.
Where's Dory?
Where is Dory?
Maybe she got lost again.
Oh yeah, she probably forgot.
Oh, should we find Dory?
We should find Dory, huh?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
It's so nice, this ocean life, isn't it?
It's lovely. I really like it. There's everything down here. It's like having space on Earth.
Space on Earth.
Yeah,
Whoa.
yeah. I like how the water has reflections.
Space on Earth. Mm-hmm. Wow, that just blows me away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it makes sense though, right? Because think of how many things there are in the ocean and how many things there are in space.
That's true.
And they're both
so much of it is undiscovered, right?
Yeah. It's really neat. Wow. It's so cool that we're down here.
Yeah, it is.
I love it.
Amazing. I feel like the ocean teaches me a lot about space too.
Yeah.
Because there are so many things that we don't know about. I don't think we've ever been all the way down to the ground. And, there's so many parts of the ocean we've never even seen.
Yeah, we can't even find
It's just like space.
Yeah,
there's so many things of space we haven't seen. So maybe, it's like you said, the two have something maybe they're connected or something.
Yeah, they're in common.
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
Oh, my favorite by far is the dolphin.
Oh, my favorite is the jellyfish.
Oh,
yeah, they're so pretty.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I like them. The dolphin was really fun too, though.
Yeah, I really want to see a big whale. Let's go find one.
Okay, let's go find a whale.
Okay. Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys have fun.
Yeah, be safe and stay dry.
Yeah, be safe, stay dry. Unless it's hot outside and you're playing in the sprinklers.
Oh yeah.
Then get wet.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. All right. Have fun.
Have fun.
Bye.
Let's find us that whale.
Yay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. A big one.
Big one.
Yeah. Oh, that's so much fun. I want to take a submarine and explore the ocean like that too. Well, maybe next time. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'll see you in part 2 of our underwater world exploration. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!